If you want to learn how to get Zapier certification, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the simplest way to get started with the Zapier certification path, so you can join the right program and move forward fast. This is a great option if you want to build credibility, improve your automation skills, or explore Zapier's partner ecosystem. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open any browser on your computer or mobile device. It doesn't matter which browser you use, as long as you have an internet connection and can access the official Zapier website. Once your browser is open, click into the address bar at the top and type zapier.com/l solution partner, then press enter. This will take you directly to Zapier's solution partner page, which is the program you need to join. On this page, take a moment to review the information so you understand what the program offers and whether it's the right fit for you. When you're ready, look for the option to join the program and click it. Depending on the page layout, this may appear as a button, link, or sign-up prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete any required steps to enroll. In most cases, you may need to sign in with your Zapier account or create one if you don't already have it. Just use the email address you want associated with your Zapier profile and make sure your details are correct before submitting. Once you've joined the program, that's really it. You've completed the main step toward getting started with Zapier certification or the related partner pathway. From here, keep an eye on your email and your Zapier dashboard for any next steps, updates, or learning materials that may help you continue the certification process. The key thing to remember is that everything starts by visiting the official solution partner page and joining the program from there. So if you're trying to get Zapier certification, this is the first action you should take. It only takes a minute, but it puts you on the right track right away. If this tutorial helped make things clearer, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.